In this video, you're going to see how I've used AI to make $1,000 in a day. Look, AI is not what most people think it is. If you just look around you, most people see AI and they think it's a toy. They use it to write a funny message to their friend or ask it some random trivia question and then they close the tab and go back to being broke. That's not what we're doing here. The people who are actually making serious money with AI, not fake screenshot money, not look at my rented Lamborghini money, real, consistent daily income, they see AI in a completely different way. They see it as leverage. Imagine you're trying to move a massive boulder. You could push it with your bare hands until your back gives out and the rock doesn't move an inch. Or you could find a long metal bar, slide it under the rock, and move it with a fraction of the effort. Same rock, same you, completely different result. The bar is leverage. AI is that bar. And right now, the majority of people are standing next to their boulder, hands bleeding, or wondering why nothing is working. If you're working hard every single day and you're still not hitting the numbers you want, I promise you it is not because you're lazy or not smart enough. It's because you are working without leverage. AI lets you do in 1 hour what used to require an entire team in a full week. So that's what this video is actually about. Not hype, leverage. Now I need to get something out of the way because I know what happens in your head when you hear $1,000 a day. Part of you gets excited, like of course, who doesn't want to make $1,000 a day? And part of you immediately goes, yeah, right, that just can't be real. So let's scale that thought right now by just doing the simple math together. We sell digital products. And digital products, if you know anything about them, they're literally the closest thing to a legal money printer that exists on this planet. Here's exactly why. You build the product once, only one time, and then you can sell it over and over again without rebuilding it from scratch. There's no inventory sitting in a warehouse. There's no shipping costs. There's no factory. There's no staff clocking in every morning waiting for you to pay them. You create it once, and it generates money while you're sleeping, while you're training, while you're traveling, while you're living your life. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let's break the $1,000 day down into something your brain can actually process. You want $1,000 a day. So that's roughly $30,000 a month, assuming every day is very consistent. If your digital product sells for $50, you need 20 sales a day. That's only 20 people or 20 sales out of billions of people on the internet. Does that seem impossible now? Probably not. If your product is $100, you need 10 people. If your product is $500, you need 2 people. 2 clients. That's literally it. There's no hidden complexity in this. It's just the right product in front of the right people with the right message. And I'll tell you, selling is not hard. The hard part is getting the attention to sell to. And doing the math is easy, let's be honest. We can all do math on a little computer or on a little notebook, it's easy. The execution is where most people fall. And that's exactly what we're gonna fix right now. And one of the reasons why people fall at this stage is because they try to do everything manually. So let's talk about the product because I already know what's going through your head. Right now you're thinking, I don't have anything to sell. Nobody's gonna pay me for anything. I'm not an expert. I'm gonna stop you right there. You don't need to be a world-class expert to create a digital product people will pay for. There's 4 ways to build a digital product, and one of them fits exactly where you are right now. Option 1, you already have knowledge that other people would pay to access, and you just haven't recognized it yet. You've figured something out. You've gone through a process, you've made mistakes, and you came out on the other side with a real understanding. That journey that you went through, it can be turned into a very profitable product. Someone out there is standing exactly where you were 18 months ago, 6 months ago, and they would genuinely pay you money to shortcut the path that you already walked. Package what you know, teach it, sell it. Option 2, go buy a competitor's product. I'm dead serious. Go spend $50 or $100, even $1,000 on something that's already selling in the market you want to enter. Study it. Go through every single page, video, or slide. Talk to the people who made it. Ask them questions. Then read the comments, the reviews, the forums where people are talking about it. If it's a community, message the other people and find the gaps. Find what's missing. Find what frustrated people. That frustration is your product. You didn't need an original idea. You just need to make something better than what has already proven demand. Option 3. Use AI to build a product for you. You want to create an ebook, a course, a swipe file, a template pack, a guide, a GPT, a prompt, whatever. AI helps you outline it, structure it, write it, and package it. When you think about it this way, AI is basically your production team that never sleeps and never charges overtime. You never have to stare at a blank page ever again. Option 4. You find someone who already has the knowledge and you partner with them. You handle the marketing, the distribution, the sales side of business. They handle the content and bringing the expertise to the table. You can pay them upfront. For example, you pay them $500, $1,000 or more to make the course, or you split the revenue. You don't even need to be the face of the product if it's not your thing. So one of those 4 options applies to you right now, and you can start with 0 extra resources. There's no excuse left for you anymore. Now, let's get into content, because content is the engine that drives people to your product. And this is where I see people burning out the hardest and the fastest. They're grinding, trying to come up with ideas every single day, trying to figure out what to say, trying to write captions that don't sound stiff and corporate, trying to write emails that people actually open, trying to script videos that hold attention. And they're doing all of it alone, staring at a screen, frustrated, posting inconsistently because it's exhausting. With AI, you stop doing it alone. Let me walk you through how I actually use it, not theoretically, like actually every day. First, I use AI to figure out what content to make. I give it context, who my audience is, what keeps them up at night, what they desperately want, what problems they have, and what they're embarrassed to admit they don't know. And then I ask the AI to give me content angles that would make people interested. But the best thing you can do, and that's what I do every day, go on social media, remake popular content. That's it. Then I also use AI to write the first drafts. Notice I didn't say final drafts. I don't just copy paste the script, boom, done. Otherwise you can't differentiate yourself from anyone else. AI doesn't know your story unless you tell it. It doesn't know about the specific moment things clicked for you. It doesn't know about the time you were stuck and figured a way out. It doesn't have the details that make content feel real instead of plain and generic. You bring that to the table. But the skeleton, the structure, the foundation, AI builds that in minutes so you can spend your energy on the part that only you can do. Then I use AI for sales copy. I'm talking about landing pages, product descriptions, email sequences that actually move people toward a buying decision. I give it context about who's buying, what they're scared of, what their life looks like right now versus what they want it to look like. And the AI writes the copy that converts. I edit it, but it gives me a starting point in like 10-15 minutes that used to take me 3 hours minimum before. I had a channel before this one and I burnt out because of it, because I had to do everything manually. Nowadays with AI, that doesn't happen. Think about what I'm describing here. A full-time copywriter, content strategist, script writer, social media manager. That's literally a team that costs tens of thousands of dollars a month. AI does the equivalent for less than $100. That's the leverage we keep coming back to. Okay, now the back end. This is the part that nobody makes content about because it's not sexy, but it is absolutely where most solo entrepreneurs leak the most time and energy. When you're running a digital product business by yourself, you end up dealing with a mountain of stuff that has nothing to do with actually generating revenue. Customer questions come in, refund requests sometimes, onboarding sequences, tech problems, trying to figure out which of your content is actually working, making you money, and which is just getting likes from people who will never buy. All of that pulls you out of the work that grows the business and drops you into the work that just maintains it. AI eliminates a massive chunk of that friction. I use AI to write every customer-facing email in my business. I'm talking about welcome emails, product delivery emails, follow-up sequences, re-engagement campaigns, polls, etc. It's all built by the AI, but of course it's personalized by me and automated so the emails go out without me touching them. I use AI to build response templates so that customer questions get answered in 30 seconds instead of 20 minutes of thinking. I also use AI to analyze performance. For example, I'll paste in my numbers and ask it what pattern it sees, what's working, what's underperforming, and what I should double down on. It's like having a business analyst available every single day at no extra cost. And the system side of this is what most people are missing entirely. Right now, a lot of people are the bottleneck in their own business. Everything stops the moment you stop. You go on a holiday, heaven forbid, and the business pauses. Now no income is coming in. You have a bad week mentally and revenue drops. This is not a business. That's a job you invented for yourself. When you build AI-assisted systems, repeatable processes for content, delivery, communication, sales, you build something that keeps moving even when you're not pushing it. And that's when it starts to feel like what you actually signed up for. True, real financial freedom. Not just being behind your computer screen all day, working 12 hours a day to make $2 a month. That's hell. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And now, I have to tell you the thing that's the least popular thing to say in this space, but is also the most important. If you don't get this, nothing else is gonna work. AI cannot save you from yourself. And I mean that with zero judgment because I've been there. I've seen people who've got access to every tool, every strategy, every resource they could possibly need, and they still make no money. It's not because the tools don't work. It's because they're waiting. They're waiting until they feel ready. They're waiting until they fully understand everything. They're waiting for the perfect product idea, or the perfect moment, or the perfect amount of followers before they start. The truth is, the people making $1,000 a day are not smarter than you. They didn't start with more money than you. They don't have access to some tool that you haven't heard of yet. The single thing that separates them is that they started before they felt ready, and they kept going when it got hard and awkward and slow. There's a story I always come back to when I think about this. Think about someone learning to swim. You can read every book ever written about swimming. You can watch hours of technique videos. You can study the biomechanics until you can explain it perfectly to someone else. But until you get in the water, until you feel what it actually feels like, until you swallow some water and figure out how to keep your head up, you do not know how to swim. Business is identical. You can watch video after video, including this one, and feel like you're making progress because your brain is getting stimulated and you're learning new things. But consuming isn't the same thing as doing. It's not even close. The gap between knowing and doing is where most people live permanently. AI hands you the tools. The strategy gives you the map. But you are the one who's got to get in the water. Your first product doesn't have to be perfect. Your first video doesn't have to go viral. Your first email doesn't have to be beautifully written. You just have to start, put something out there, learn from it, and get better every single week. The people winning right now are not using magic. They're using the same tools you have access to today. The difference is they actually use them. So the question isn't whether AI can make you money, because it absolutely can. I mean, we just spent the entire video breaking down exactly how it does. The real question is what you're gonna do the moment this video ends. I know most people are not gonna do a thing. They'll watch more content, that's it. But that decision is the only thing AI will never be able to make for you.